Yes, can you read this one? Read this one, Zahra?
Fran.
Fran, very good. 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one?
Fran and Pam are at a pond.
Fran and Pam are at a pond. And you're going to write the rocket. Can you read this one? They
Can see a swan.
They can see a swan. Another 2 boxes for you. Can you read this one? They
They can see a swan in the pond.
Very good. They can see a swan in the pond. Another 2 boxes. Okay, next. Can you read this one?
Let
Let's.
swim.
Very good. Let's swim. Good job. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Can you read this?
Let's swim in the pond, Fran.
Let's swim in the pond, Fran. Another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Can you read this one?
Fran and Pam jump into the pond.
Fran and Pam jump into the pond. Another 2 boxes. Can you read this one?
They
They
swim and they swim.
Again.
They swim and swim in the pond.
They swim and swim in the pond. Right, the rocket. Can you read this one?
Pam, let's rest.
Pam, let's rest. Very good. Okay, you've reached the star. Good job.